بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
والعاديات ضبحا.
By the oath of those horses that run with a panting breath.
فالموريات قدحا.
Then bring out sparks from stones by striking their hooves.
فالمغيرات صبحا.
And by those who raid on enemies at dawn.
فأثرن به نقعا.
Then thereby blowing dust.
فوسطن به جمعا.
Then penetrate in the midst of the enemy forces.
إن الإنسان لربه لكنود.
Indeed, man is very ungrateful towards his Lord.
وإنه على ذلك لشهيد.
And indeed, he himself is witness to it.
وإنه لحب الخير لشديد.
And indeed, he definitely loves wealth to the extreme.
أفلا يعلم إذا بعثر ما في القبور.
So, does he not know when those in the graves will be raised?
وحصل ما في الصدور.
And all that which is in the chests will be disclosed?
إن ربهم بهم يومئذ لخبير.
Indeed, on that day, their Lord knows all about them.
صدق الله العظيم.